TopProducts.com. Search TopProducts.com for the best product reviews online. Top Products presents our pick for the top 5 carbon monoxide detectors. For this review, we chose 5 brands known for quality carbon monoxide detectors, showcasing a variety of options that are available. At the number 5 spot is the Universal Security Instruments Carbon Monoxide Smart Alarm, chosen not only for its features but also because of its budget-friendly price tag. Started in 1969, Universal Security Instruments uses smart technology and superior design to maximize security for its customers' safety. Its carbon monoxide smart alarm uses smart detection technology and an impressive 10-year battery life to keep you safe for years to come. It uses microprocessors to reduce nuisance alarms and can be mounted or left standing on a tabletop. But we will mention that a few users received defective units and had to get their alarms replaced. Next on our list at number 4 is the KIDDE Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm. KIDDE improves safety at home and at work with its vast array of smoke and carbon monoxide alarm systems, and goes a level deeper by possessing a heart of service. Its smoke and carbon monoxide alarm features a range of emergency safety features and easily connects with a max of 24 KIDDE alarms for ultimate safety. Better yet, it has battery backup for its front-loading batteries, along with a hush feature. It'll even detect fast-burning fires. Do keep in mind, however, that it has no display, but instead uses flashing lights and sound to indicate different situations. The next product on our list was chosen because it is a great choice for people who are looking for a carbon monoxide detector with lots of bells and whistles. At number 3, we have the SENSORCON CO Inspector Industrial Detector. SENSORCON creates durable USA-made inspection tools which are designed to make a lasting impact in your world and for those around you in various industries. Its CO Inspector Industrial Detector features industrial-level accuracy and durability, making it ideal for new homeowners as well as construction and inspection professionals. It features a durable waterproof construction, 2-year battery life, and a large, simple LCD display. Did we mention it's handheld? But seeing that as it is handheld, it's not meant for wall mounting like the others on this list. When choosing the right carbon monoxide detector for your needs, Top Products knows that budget can be an important consideration, and our number 2 pick, the First Alert Dual Power Carbon Monoxide Alarm, takes the spot for best value. First Alert is a big name in America's home safety market, offering products for various uses and coming to the aid of other safety organizations. Its dual power carbon monoxide alarm puts safety first with backup battery power, easy alarm testing, and an at-a-glance battery life indicator. Further, it has front access batteries, a dual power design, and no mounting is required. But as this does come at a nice price, it may not last as long as more expensive models. And finally, the Nest Protect Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm made it to our top choice position because it provides a good array of features with an affordable price. Nest is focused solely on creating products for the home that will go a step above what you'd expect, using smart technology and innovation. The Nest Protect Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm connects to your phone through Wi-Fi for advanced functionality, including pre-alarm warnings and battery updates. Better yet, it also features a split-spectrum sensor for emergency information and offers you heads-up alerts. But as can be expected, all of these futuristic features come at a higher price than basic models. These are our top 5 carbon monoxide detectors. We hope you enjoyed watching our review. Until next time, take care. Click now to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Don't forget to like our Facebook page and visit us at TopProducts.com for more everyday product reviews.